Welcome to the Alka Seltzer Strength Lab. This lab will take 2 weeks. The first week, you'll turn in just your data and calculations. After they're approved, then you'll be able to write your complete report. So, let's look at the data that you'll be collecting. In this first column, you'll put the mass of the empty beaker. In the second column, you'll put the mass of the beaker plus the mass of the water and vinegar. In the third column, you will put the mass of the beaker, water, vinegar, and 3 grams of Alka Seltzer. So you're adding 3 grams to whatever's in the second column to get the third column. The fourth column is the mass after the reaction. Now you'll notice when you have the reaction that there'll be lots of bubbling. The bubbling is carbon dioxide gas. So the mass after the reaction will be less than the mass before the reaction, and the difference is the mass of the carbon dioxide that was made. So the change in mass, which is equal to the grams of carbon dioxide produced, goes in this column here. Using the molar mass of carbon dioxide, you can calculate the moles of carbon dioxide that were made. Using a balanced reaction, you'll be able to determine the amount of sodium bicarb that was made. And then using the molar mass of the sodium bicarb, you can figure out how many grams of sodium bicarb was produced. You're going to show your calculations, and then you'll want to include a graph. Let's look at the graph here for just a second. This is made up numbers. Your numbers will be different than these. I just made some up. You're going to want to insert, and you're going to want to insert a scatter plot. You want to insert a scatter with smooth lines. Whenever you do a graph, you always want to put axis titles on it so that everybody knows what you're looking at. So this will be and it'll be in milliliters. So we want to know what it is and how it's being measured, what units are being used. Over here will be bicarb, and you'll want to make sure you put a title on your graph. Okay, well, good luck for this week, and let me know if you have any problems. Have a great week.